Hello guys, welcome back to Gary Tech Interior. Thank you for the support that you are still bringing toward this channel. So over behind me, we have been doing this semi-permanent house that you can see behind me. That is, it's almost ending in let's say in terms of phase one. So the phase two is like when we'll be now doing, let's say like now plastering the both inside and outside, and then flooring. Like now this is the phase one. Like you can see, we can call it, let's say like a superstructure. A superstructure is now when you have finished up to roofing, and then if you have, let's say you have done with the windows, at least one can stay inside. So we have done, we are almost somewhere. Our client can, let's say, can even now get inside, like you can see over behind me. So the day, I think the day I was showing you, we had not yet installed, let's say the windows and the door, both in the entrance and the exit. So I'm going to give you the house tour to see how, after you have done, let's say after we have done installing our windows. So you can see here, now this is the exterior part. Like you can see, this is the exterior part. Like you can see, if let's say in future can, let's say put here his own gate, he can just come here straight, just direct to his gate. Like you can see here, the balcony, the direction of the balcony, like on this video. So like you can see here, we are now going towards the the front balcony. Like you can see, you have put here a very good grills that give this a very good picture of this. And then this is the master bedroom. So I'm going inside to give you to see how is it. And so here we have got this our balcony. Like you can see, this is some balcony. It's quite spacious. And then like you can see, we have done this, let's say this grill here to allow the light and fresh air to be coming inside this, let's say this balcony, and then even distributing another one here. So as in this, now this window, like you can see over here, it is directly towards our sitting room. And then here, like you can see, this is our steel double door. Let me close, and then you see. So this is our steel double door. Like you can see, is something that is let's say a bit expensive, but if you can afford it, is something that after you have installed it, it's something that looks so very nice on your entrance, sitting entrance, like you can see over here. So we have done everything in terms of, even like you can see here, you have put let's say these are windows, of which is a one-way window. So welcome inside. So like you can see, this is our sitting room. This is our sitting room, of which is of 15 by 14. 15 by 14 is something that it can accommodate, let's say. That's why I've been telling you, if you have, let's say, 10 seater or 8 to 10 seater, it will depend how you will arrange your seats on this particular house. It will fit very well. So this is the main, like we can say, this is the main window. Like you can see, is behind. You can access your behind, let's say anything that is behind your house, you can see over here. And then this is the window that I was telling you that it allow penetration of lights and fresh air inside this sitting room. So this is the sitting room. Like you can see over here, we have done even the electrical pointing work. So this point here, it will be for a TV, the place for a TV. And then there is another double socket, of which if you lay here your TV stand, you can put you can charge over your phone there, anything at below there. In terms of wall brackets, you have done the wall brackets. Like you can see, this pipe is for wall brackets, of which there are 3. So the first one is there, and then below here, this is another socket that will be behind your let's say your seats. And then like you can see, we have not yet done, let's say doing the electrical let's say installation in terms of switch box. Here are they, we are doing it at later stage. And then here, this is the switching point, and then we have got this another wall bracket, and then there's another wall bracket over there. So this is the door that leads us towards our kitchen, but I will come there at later stage. And then here we have got this separation, we can call it a small corridor, of which you can see it has got a separation between these three entity. So the first one is the first bedroom, or you can call it kids bedroom. The second one is a toilet, of which this is a common toilet. And then the third one, this is our master bedroom. So we'll begin with this let's say this kids bedroom. You can see it's something that the way you see here, this room can accommodate a 6x6 measurement of a bed. 6x6 in terms of measurement, it can accommodate, even you can have to place here your wardrobes. And then here we have got this window, of which is a single window. And then the good thing that our client did is to place this grill that you see over here, this one. So this one, it will make, let's say, in terms of, let's say, one wants to break into this particular house, it will be so impossible because of that grills, the inside grill that our client did on his window. And then here we've got, this is our toilet. Even though today we are let's say we have been so here our client, let's say, he has let's say today sorry, I've cut the video. So today I've communicated with my client. He has gone to weld the door, let's say this window of this particular toilet, and the entrance door, of which that one will be for the balcony. I think maybe tomorrow or on Sunday I'll give you the house tour after they have done that particular welding for that toilet and then that door. And then here, this is the master bedroom, of which is of 15 by 11. 15 by 11 is something that are so spacious. It's something that it can accommodate two beds, even three, depending the angle you will arrange yourself here on this particular room. It has got two windows. So the first one is here, of which this one is a small one, and the second one is just over here. This is like, at least this is something that is so big so as to allow the fresh air to circulate inside this. And then the light, like you can see, we are at least daylight, but you can see there's enough space, there's enough light on this particular room. So guys, if you have watched up to there, kindly make sure you have subscribed, like, share and comment. And then for more information, you can call us through 0746 289667, 0746 289667. And then here, this is the door that I was telling you that welcome you inside this particular kitchen. So this kitchen, like you can see, is something we are planning to do some amazing work over here. We are going to have a worktop over here, and then we'll have to arrange here some let's say in terms of storage capacity. We are going to install here, let's say, like cabinets, the higher level cabinets, and then the low level will be over here. So this is the window that will be operating with the operationalized on this particular kitchen. And then here we have got this let's say on this we have got this door. Now this is the exit door. That one, it was for the entrance, and then this one is the exit one. So this exit one is just a normal door, is not of same like the one on the entrance. Like you can see over here, we have got this window, of which this one is a one way. So whoever is inside, it's outside, wants to, or let's say he can see whoever is inside, and then whoever is inside whoever is inside can see whoever anything that is happening towards outside. But let's say during the daytime, but during the night time it will be a vice versa. So this is the now our exterior. This is now our exterior part, like you can see. So this is the sitting room, and then that is our, and then that is the kitchen. So let me have the exterior part to see. So and then this is the balcony, like you can see. This is the grill for the balcony. So I'm giving you the exterior part only. And then this one, this is the master bedroom, of which this is the door of the master bedroom. And then here, this is another door for the master bedroom. And then here we'll have that small window for a toilet that will be installed let's say later. And then this is the bedroom one. And then so we did this because our house is too high, the wall is too high. So we did this because we were doing this, we were when we were putting this soil, so as to have to let's say to anchor it, so as to help it, to support it, not to fall down. Because if we will do that, maybe for, let's say, for purpose, for, let's say, particularly for particularly in terms of let's say saving our client house, we did that. So this is the roofing design, like you can see here. So I think let me sit down and then do the calculation of this particular house that you see over here, and then I will be updating it, let's say during the daytime, or maybe either today or tomorrow. I'll be giving you the entire quotation of this particular house. But for, if you, let's say, if you are a new subscriber, I can give you an estimate of, let's say, 350,000 up to this particular end, because this is a 2-bedroom house together with a kitchen, a balcony, a sitting lounge, and then a toilet that is inside. That's why we have given you a figure of let's say 350 to 400,000, inclusive of labor and material. For to be on a safer side, you can have that figure. That's why, because we can't give you a figure of, let's say, 400,000, because we don't know where you stay. Let's say particularly maybe the house, let's say the roofing, let's say the iron sheets, let's say maybe in terms of window, we can't know your side. So that's why we are telling you, let's say, a bit of 350 to 450,000. You are on a safer side, you are good to go now. So let's meet on the next video, of which I'll be giving you the house tour of this particular the quotation